What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain. Today I wanted to showcase a few more of the parts that we've got from Tusk for these Polaris Xpedition models. Now, not too long ago we did a full build on one of these Xpeditions, but we used the Xpedition ADV model. We got our hands on the XP model, and I wanted to showcase a couple of the cool things that we've got so you can fine-tune the way that your Xpedition works for you. So let's start off with the plow mount. We've got a new plow mount for this machine, and this helps you utilize the Tusk Sub-Zero plow setup. Now on this one, we do have the 72-inch wide blade. This thing is going to push a ton of snow, and it's going to really help you for that winter maintenance of your roads. Now moving up just a little bit, we do have the 12-inch light bar setup. This is a bumper mounted setup that is specific for this Xpedition model. It's going to keep it nice and tucked up out of the way and give you a lot better lighting for those night rides. Then as you move up from that light bar, we've got our Tusk turn signal and horn kit. Now this is a plug and play setup. It's going to be an easy install for you, and it's going to allow you to use your machine on the roads. Last up front, we're going to talk about the AC line shields. Now this is going to protect your AC condenser and charge line, and it's going to keep your machine away from those expensive repairs if you're to damage your AC components with roost off your own front tires. That's not something you want to do. That's going to be a super cool thing to throw on your Xpedition. All right, moving back, we're going to take a quick step inside of the machine, and I'm going to show you our billet fire extinguisher mounts. Now here we've got our under-seat fire extinguisher mount being shown, but we do have two different options. We've got this one, and then we've got a ProFit cage mount so that you can mount it outside of your machine. A fire extinguisher is going to be one of the most important things you can purchase for your side-by-side to make sure you and all of those that you throw inside of this thing are going to stay safe in case of a fire. We've got two great options to make sure that thing is always ready on hand and it's easy to get off and into your hand to use. Now moving back outside of the machine, we've got to stop at these rock sliders. These rock sliders are built to last. They're powder coated black for a nice finish that's going to look awesome on your machine, but they're going to take a beating. They're going to keep the bottom plastics of your machine nice and safe, keeping you from having to buy those expensive plastic components. Now when it comes to the back of these Xpeditions, between the ADV model and the XP model, that's where you're going to see the most difference, being it the open back or the enclosed back of the ADV. We've also got the most options for you when it comes to the back of these machines to make sure to fine-tune your cargo carrying capabilities. So we'll start off with the products that we've got for the XP model. You've got your bed cargo rack right here, giving you tons of options when it comes to tying down the cargo that you're going to need to be taking, whether it's for hunting or camping trips. Moving down from this bed cargo rack right here, you've got the lower cargo racks. We offer this in two different sizes. You can get the small and move it around the bed however you want it, or you can get the large to give you a huge platform with lots of tie down points so you can make sure that cargo stays secure. Then you've got our cargo anchors and our bed rail nuts. These bed rail nuts are going to help you best utilize the Polaris Lock and Ride Max system that are in these machines. This is going to give you the capability of holding nearly anything you want to these rails on the bed of this machine. Now one last thing I will show you now that we've got this tailgate up is our license plate bracket. This is going to be a nice sturdy way to hold that license plate up and out of the way, but also give you a great factory look. Again, we've got tons of stuff to offer when it comes to these Xpeditions, so you can fine-tune your experience with both carrying capabilities as well as the work that you can perform with it. To get your Xpedition set up, be sure to click the link below to find these products, or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com to get your machine set up. As always, we offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.